What happened to this duck? It was actually struck by a falcon punch. Everything seemed to happen in a flash. Meet the falcon, the feather fighter jet. Falcons are powerful and agile birds of prey known for their incredible speed and precision in flight. Even though they are smaller than eagles and don't have strong claws, their unique hunting skill make them the apex predators in the avian world. It's called stoop. The falcon flies high into the sky, using its keen eyesight to locate the prey below. Then the falcon folds its wings and falls into a nosedive, speeding over 200 miles per hour, giving the prey a powerful strike with its feet. This dive bomb hunting skill makes them the masters of the sky,